Welcome to the JavaScript CleaveJS series, and this is video number 4 of the series, and in here we're going to play. So if you watch my previous video, we were already starting to explore more on how we can get more out of our CleaveJS library. So it's a wonderful library. Let's go and look here for some custom options. So the custom options are basically options that gives you new options. I see here React. Well, this is not that interesting. Let's look at this one here. We can create our own option here. Yeah, so we have this here. Let's look at this and explore. So basically we can give it blocks. So we don't give this, you can see this is the pattern right now. So if you really look at this and ask yourself, can we combine these together? Yeah, so I'm going to remove the time. We just say here blocks. Let's see if this works. I'm going to remove this for now, because this is not necessary, and having these two duplicated together will give us some trouble. So we have our blocks. Let's try and refresh and see if this works. No, it does not work at all. So blocks doesn't allow you any values here except for the specific number. So let's push it all back. You can see here blocks indicate. All right. So basically you can do here is 4 since it's number, and then month is 2. And then we have here, we have days also 2, right? And then we have the hours. Hours is considered 2. Minute is considered 2. And we have here another 2. So let's save this and then remove this. So basically we're doing year, month, year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds. That's what we're doing. Let's refresh here, and now you can see it works. However, there's a space between. Can we remove the space? Well, with the custom it is possible. You can see here some options here. Uppercase, the Eliminator. That's what we need. See if we can play around with that one. So I'm going to add this up in here. And this, I'll just do this one. Let's see what happens. So here. Alright, so we see here something is happening. Can we play around even more? I'm not sure yet. You can see here now, this one is probably the one we need. Because now we can say, well, the first one is this, the second one is that, and the third one is this. All right, this is what we need. There we can say, first one, we just keep space, right? So we want the year, or maybe you want to say, well, we want this, all right? Second one for this one here, slash, that's fine. After we've got here, what we want is a space. Yes, so basically we have here the month. First have the year, slash, month, slash, day, then space. And after that, we're going to indicate now our semicolons, comma, one more time, semicolon. Let's save this to see if we can create our own version here. Say 2018, number 10 for October, and then the 25th. And it is now 10 o'clock in the afternoon of morning, 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is 11 minutes and 54 seconds. As you can see here, we have created our output, and this is really nice. So this is how you also can do it as well. So now you can see here, this is how we do some custom designs and explore a little bit more. Let's see if there's something more that we need to know. All right, look, now there's a prefix, so we can control what we call financial items as well here. So with the prefix, you have a number. So let's do here, let's see if this works. We're going to do ampersand, euro, and then this. Let's see if this works. Not sure. This is very commonly a hard one that does not work. Yeah, as you can see, this does not work. The reason why this does not work is very simple, because it sees this as a things. Maybe it should not be like this. Maybe it needs to be like this, because it is a code. No. So if we can put in here a $sign, that would be nice as well, but then we need to put in here double quotation. We have to quote that. Prefix. Are we missing something that it doesn't work? Oh, sorry, this one needs to be removed. Semicolon, remove the semicolon. Let's leave this, and there you are. So this works, and if you want to put a space between, let's put a space between here. That looks slightly more appealing. And then we say 100. Of course, that does not work. Let's remove this, and we say here block and then 2. Yes. Maybe this one is fine, but we want to say only this should be a comma. Let's save this, refresh, and let's see, $100. Oh, apparently this prefix is considered a value. So what you have to do here, it's not 4, you have to put in 6. Yes. So if you're doing 6, these two are the number 2, so we have 4 left. So if you want to do, say now 2018, comma, 10 cents. Alright, so this works now. And then this should be not a comma, should be a dot. Sorry. This is the European style, so the American style is with a dot here at the end. So 2018 and 10 cents. There you are. So this is how you can control that using prefix and playing around a bit more. Is there a currency? Let's see. I'm not sure if there's currency, and I think if you want really currency, you should not use this, but you should go for accounting JS. That's in another video. I will also discuss about that one. That's also something on the list. That's very interesting. So we have this prefix, the Eliminator here. You can see all these things. So that's really it for now. And then you can see here these 6 values of the prefix is the 6 values here. Makes sense. Alright, so that's in this video, and then I will try to figure out this one in the final video. I want to figure out this part, but this part is slightly more complicated without any explanation regarding to this. So we have to see on that one how this works.